Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the fifth match here in round one. The scores are Old Harbour High on 32 points, Ferncourt High on 12 points. That should be 35 points for Old Harbour. And let me explain, there was a scoring error, so Ferncourt at the end of that second section was on 12 points instead of 11. And then Old Harbour picked up 2 points for their answers to the question, which man in the Bible had his name changed to Edom? Esau came a fraction of a second before the pass. And the traditional gift for the 6th anniversary in the US, it's iron. In the UK, it is sugar. So we will accept their answer of sugar. As we get into the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible Knowledge. Who is the author of the Book of Revelation? Old Harbour.
St. John.
Correct. Biology. Which human organ cleans on average approximately 8,000 liters of blood each day? Old Harbour.
The kidney.
Correct. English language. What does the prefix poly, P-O-L-Y, as used? Old Harbour.
Many.
Correct. Polyandry. Local and international affairs. The visual clue. Teams, look on the screen and identify this individual. Old Harbour.
Williams.
Correct. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. Chemistry. What is the atomic number of carbon? Old Harbour.
6.
That's right. Music and audio clue. Teams, listen to the following clip and identify this group. Old Harbour.
5 seconds of summer. 5 seconds of summer.
Correct. Or 5 SOS. General knowledge. Entomology is the branch. Old Harbour.
Insects.
That's right. Spanish. Give the equivalent English expression for suficiente es suficiente. Enough is enough. Geography. Riyadh is the capital of Old Harbour.
Saudi Arabia.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Old Harbour.
Bruce Willis.
That's right. Information technology. What is the name given to a network designed to allow communication within an organism? Old Harbour.
Internet.
Is correct. History. In which year did the demolition of the Berlin Old Harbour?
1989.
Correct. Mathematics. If 20% of a number is 40, then what is Old Harbour?
200.
Incorrect. 24. 12% we wanted. Physics. The discovery of which principle provoked the surprised cry, Eureka? Old Harbour.
Archimedes principle.
That's right. Sports, a visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Old Harbour.
Novak Djokovic.
That's correct. Tennis champion. Jamaican heritage. What music festival is held annually on January 15, the birthday of a famous Jamaican? Old Harbour.
Music festival. Reggae Sumfest.
Reggae Sun? No, that's incorrect. Rebel Salute. French. Translate the following question to English. Où se trouve la bibliothèque? Where is the library? Literature. What was the pen name of the Mississippi riverboat pilot who created the fictional characters of Tom Sawyer and Huckle Old Harbour?
Samuel Langhorne Clement.
No, we wanted his pen name, which is Mark Twain. Art. Which artist was struck in the face with a mallet by an envious rival, disfiguring him for life? Michelangelo. Bible knowledge. Who was the second person to come upon the injured man in the parable of the Old Harbour?
Levi.
The Levites.
Correct. Biology. Other than leaf stalk, what is another name for the Old Harbour?
Petiole.
That's correct. Jamaican Creole. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Scornful dog. Ferncourt. Very good. Local affairs. Who is the managing director of the National Housing Trust? Martin Miller. Chemistry. Atoms of the same chemical element that have different atomic Ferncourt.
Isotopes.
Correct, very good. Music, what is the stage name of the American rapper Onika Tanya Mirage? Old Harbour.
Nicki Minaj.
That's right. General knowledge, in the Iliad, Greek forces besieged the people of which city? Troy. Spanish, translate to English the following sentence, and we won't have time. That bell signifies the end of the final challenge, and indeed the end of this first match. The scores are Old Harbour High on 61 points, Ferncourt High on a respectable 16. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. The answer is Great Expectations. Congratulations to our winners. We'll be back in just a moment to wrap up the show.